Hi everyone, this is Philips CD162 from 1993, but this one has a problem. It has a very good CD mechanism, CDM-4, very reliable, but it has a problem. Problem is it's not reading the disk. I don't know if you can see the display. Is bright sunny day here in Netherlands today. I would like to open and try to fix it. It might be a very little thing, like just cleaning the lens. Let's do it. Show you on the back side. This one was made in Austria, and this one has a remote in, and this RCA cables. Here is the main power supply, CDM-4 loading tray, and this is the circuit, the main circuit, and you have a circuit for controlling all the features, play, and all those things. So in order to access the lens, you have to put this up, and you can see the lens right over there. So in order to clean the lens, we're going to use this 96% alcohol. It's available mostly on the drugstores. And with the earbud, we soak one side of earbud with alcohol and nicely clean the lens, the glass. By the way, I like the CDM-4 CD transport. It's very rugged, and it's much better than the CD tray mechanism produced nowadays, because this is very rugged. It doesn't break. Just keep on working, loading thousands and thousands of CDs. Only thing can go bad is the rubber belt for the tray mechanism, which is easy. You just replace it, put new, and the tray will open easily. And other thing which we are doing, basically, the small dust particles, they come up on the top of the lens and resulting CD stop reading the discs. I think that should be it. You put nicely back. Let me connect the power. Okay. Now reload the CD. Okay, it started spinning and it stopped. Play. Yes. Guys, it's working. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4 track. Play. Perfect. Stop. Stopped. Track change. Play. Yes. Does play very well. Stop. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.